show you how to take off the seat belts. It's not a 2010 Toyota Prius. First thing you want to do is get this trim piece off that holds this guy in and the rest of it above. So you just go ahead, find a corner, gingerly grab it, pop the screws out. Not the screws, the snaps. If you have to, use a tool. Be careful. You don't want to break your plastic. Alright, now that's exposed. You'll be able to get this panel right here. But let's come to the back door real quick. We have one more to remove. So in order to get to the rest of this, you kind of want to slide your seat forward. Alright. Now you have full access to this entire side panel. You should be able to get it all out. So you can do the same thing with this back one. You don't have to take it all the way off. Just pop it loose, get it out of the way. Grab this guy, and be careful with this one too. You don't want to break the plastic. Last thing you want to do is buy more interior trim. So grab this guy, and wiggle it. Okay, got that. Alright, got that side. And then just work your way up the trim. Being careful, just pull. I found it easiest just to push in a little and then pull. Do the same thing with this side. As you'll see, there's hooks, so you want to be careful with that. Kind of push in and pull out. Alright, so that removes that side panel. Now you have access to your pretensioner that's probably locked up from your crash. There is one screw right here you have to take out. Should be fairly simple. Get him out of the way. And this guy should be able to pop off just the same as well. Just if you have plastic tools, go ahead, or the plastic trim remover, do that. Grab it, but just slide your hand up the rail, pop it out. This one kind of sits recessed up in here, so just kind of pull down. And there, slide that down. And you have access to your 14mm bolts. Remove the top and lower. There's one right here and one right there. Alright, get that pretensioner out, get a new seat belt, get back to driving. Also, another quick note is just to disable your car obviously before you start pulling off any SRS and sensors. So just take a little pick right here or a little screwdriver, just kind of gently tug on it till it comes loose. That locks it in, and give it a nice little pull. There you go. Now you just got to remove it again. Okay, so you got the pretensioner off of your 2010 Toyota Prius. There is still one more bolt you can't forget. It keeps this piece of plastic on. You gotta come down here, pull this guy aside, grab your 14mm. Don't have to pinch your hands. Bam, pop that guy off. I did mine earlier. Boom, freedom. Now you can slide the belt all the way out. And you can ship it in to get repaired, replaced, or if you've already bought a new one, slip that bad boy in and get back on the road safely. Alright, that's your removal of your pretensioner and seat belt on a 2010 Toyota Prius. Thank you.